So hello everyone and welcome again. So today in this video I'll show you how to adjust the free play of the clutch of Hero Karizma Xmr 210. Very important thing while adjusting the free play of the clutch is to always do this on a cold engine, never do this on a hot engine, or when you came back from a ride, never do this. Always do this when the engine is cold. If you do it on the hot engine, then you will not get the correct free play. So remember, always do this on a cold engine. This is our clutch, and free play is the free movement of the clutch. This is the free movement. It can be measured from this end here. If you are measuring from this end, from here, then it should be around 2 to 4 mm. Like measuring from here, then it should be around 2 to 4 mm. And if you measuring this distance, this travel this from this here, then it should be the recommended is 10 to 15 mm. Look, this is the free play. This free movement before the clutch engages is the free play. This travel should be 10 to 15 mm. If there is no free play, if it is running very hard, then you will burn your clutch and your gear shift will not be smooth. And if it is very loose, then again your gear shift will not be very smooth and your engine will stall, and you will also chances of burning the clutch is also there. So there are 2 points of adjustment. First is this fine tuner or the barrel adjuster. In my case, this is totally closed, so I don't need to touch it. I don't do adjustment from this end. But if you have got some scope here, then you have to loosen this small barrel here first. Then if you have to increase the free play, then you have to rotate it outward, this smaller one outward, to increase the free play. And to decrease the free play, you have to do this, rotate this inward towards you to decrease it. But in my case, it is totally closed, so there is no scope here for adjustments. So on the engine end, here is our clutch cable which is connected to the engine. So there are two nuts. This one is a lock nut and this is our adjustment nut. So we just have to lose this lock nut first, and then we have to increase or decrease the free play from this adjustment nut, this smaller one. So you just have to lose this lock nut first with a 14 mm spanner. Just loosen this, or just now if you want to increase the free play, you have to rotate this smaller nut towards the handlebar or the front of the motorcycle like this, towards me. And if I want to decrease the free play, then I have to rotate it inwards. So you can rotate this by your hand. Just lift this cable, and I have to increase the free play. I just rotate it a few notch towards me. I hope you can see this. And then just leave it and just lock it in place. You can see the play has increased a little bit, so this is good enough. If I have to decrease the free play, then I will loosen this lock nut with the 14 mm spanner. Then I just simply lift this cable up from here, and I just rotate it inwards, and then just lock it in place. This length, the length of the upper thread increase, it means it is going tighter. If this length of the upper thread decrease, then it means it is going loose. So I have to increase the free play. So I'll just lift this up, I'll just rotate it upward. I'll just bring this lock nut little bit upward on this thread and leave it, and just lock it in place. So always remember to do this on the cold engine, always, never do this on the hot engine. Once you are done with it, just tighten your lock nut. Just hold this upper nut here in place. This is how we adjust the free play of the clutch of Hero Karizma Xmr 210. Always remember to do this on the cold engine, never do this on a hot engine. And avoid doing adjustment on the barrel at the handlebar. This is the place where you do the major adjustment of the clutch. Having the proper amount of free play is very important for your smoother gear shift, and it also helps in prolonging the life of your clutch plates. So I hope this video will be helpful, and thanks for watching.